Hey guys, so went out to a cool building, was trying my first wall rides and tried a reverse wall ride. Pretty cool, I guess, except for the fact that I got on the other side of the building and lost all connection and drone crashed and my beautiful arm has snapped. We can see that. We'll get a better shot back at the house. So I got a 1:30 flight time and had to leave. So, reality of drone flying, I guess. Kind of a bummer, but we'll get a new part ordered and we're gonna go back to that building. But here's the shots that I started to get, and then I'll show you the crash because it sucked. Alright, so as you can see, it was a learning experience, and the main thing that I learned about today's flight was if you're going to fly buildings, stand on a better side where you can see everywhere you're going to fly so you don't lose connection. Probably a no-brainer. For now that I look at it, it's a no-brainer, but while I was doing it, I just didn't think about it. So I'm going to do that now, and yeah, that's probably the main thing I'm going to take away from this experience of doing that. And I'm going to replace that arm and get back in the air, and I'm going to hit that building again and fly it even better. So we'll see you guys later.